Good morning, everyone. My name is Aryan Bhagat. I study in class 9 in the school Kendra Vidyalaya Jodia. Today, I am here to throw light on the life of Mary Kom, who has made our nation proud with her brilliant performance in the field of boxing. Introduction of Mary Kom. Mary Kom's full name is Mangte Chungnijang Mary Kom. She was born on 24th of November 1982. She was born at Kangtathai Morirang Lambaki Churachandapur in the state Manipur to Mangte Tonpa Kom and Mangte Akham Kom. Mary Kom was born in Kangtathai village Moyang Lamki in Churachandapur district of rural Manipur in India. She came from a poor Kom family. Her parents, Mangte Tonpa Kom and Mangte Akham Kom, were tenant farmers who worked in jhum fields. They named her Chung Nijang. Com grew up in humble surroundings, helping her parents with farm related chores, going to school and learning athletics initially and later boxing simultaneously. Com's father was a keen wrestler in his younger days. She was the eldest of three children. She has a younger sister and brother. She hails from a Christian Baptist family. Mary Kom studied at the Loktak Christian Model High School at Morirang up to her 6th standard. Thereafter attended St. Xavier Catholic School, Morirang up to class 8th. After class 8th, Kom moved to Adimjati High School Imphal for her schooling for class 9th and 10th, but was unable to pass the matriculation exam. Not wishing to reappear for them, she quit her school and gave her examination from NIOS Imphal and graduation from Churachandpur College. Mary Kom is awarded with a number of awards and appreciations, and some of them are the National Awards Padma Vibhushan in 2020, Padma Bhushan for Sports in 2013, Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna Award in 2009, Padma Shri in 2006, and the Arjuna Award in 2013. Other awards and recognitions. The International Boxing Association awarded Mary Kom with the first AIBA Legends Award for promising boxing career. The International Boxing Association announced Mary Kom as the brand ambassador for 2016 AIBA Women's World Hockey Championships, People of the Year Limca Books of Records 2007. She won the Real Hero Award by Reliance in 2008. She was the youth icon of Pepsi MTB in 2008. She is also known as Magnificent Mary. International Boxing Association Ambassador for Women's Hockey 2009, Sportswomen of the Year 2010, Olympian for Life by WOA, Honorary Doctorate degree from Northeastern Hill University on 29th of March 2016 and from Kaziranga University on 14th of January 2019. To pay tribute to Mary Kom, a biopic has been made by uh, Umang Kumar, who also Directed it. The Bollywood biopic on Indian boxing ace Mary Kom, starring Priyanka Chopra, encapsulates her earlier career before she became an Olympic medalist. A short video on Mary Kom. She made a number of contributions for Indian sports, and some of them are: after her marriage, Com took a short hiatus from boxing. After giving birth to her first child, Com started training once again. She won a silver medal at the 2008 Asian Women's Boxing Championship in India and a fourth successive gold medal at the 2008 AIBA Women's World Boxing Championships in China, followed by a gold medal at the 2009 Asian Indoor Games in Vietnam. In 2010, Com won the gold medal at the Asian Women's Boxing Championship in Kazakhstan and at the 2010 AIBA Women's World Boxing Championships in Barbados for fifth consecutive gold at the championship. She competed in Barbados in the 48 kg weight category after AIBA had stopped using the 46 kg class. In the 2010 Asian Games, she competed in the 51 kg class and won a bronze medal. In 2011, she won a gold medal in the 48 kg class at the Asian Women's Cup in China. On 3rd of October 2010, she, along with Sanjay and Harshit Jain, had the honor of bearing the Queen's baton in the opening ceremony run in the stadium for the 2010 Commonwealth Games in Delhi. She did not compete, however, as women's boxing was not included in the Commonwealth Games. On 3rd of October, on 1st of October 2014, she won her first gold medal in the boxing at the 2014 Asian Games held in Incheon, South Korea by beating Kazakhstan's Ziana Sherbekova in the flyweight summit clash. On 8th of November 2017, she received an unprecedented fifth gold medal at the Asian Boxing Confederation Women's Boxing Championship held at Ho Chi Minh in Vietnam. On 24th of November 2018, she created history by becoming the first woman to win 6 world championships, achieving this feat at the 10th AIBA World Boxing Championships held in New Delhi, India. Thank you and have a nice day.